Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a pee pad holder for my girl Peppa. Really nice rubbery material, very lightweight, waterproof. So this is going to protect your floors. It rolls up so small. So Peppa's a good girl. She always goes outside to go to the bathroom. However, every once in a while she gets sick. And if she does, and we aren't home, we leave one of these out just in case, and it is a lifesaver. So what you do is you put your pee pad in the pee pad holder. Then your pee pad is not going to slip around. This is staying right where it belongs. This is genius. It comes with these clips, and let me get close. They open right here. This opens, you have these little claws on it, and then you put this on the edges, snap the lock into place, and then it stays on the holder and it doesn't slip off. So let's put these all on, and then I am going to have Peppa sit on here to show you, and I'm also going to pour some water on here to show you that this gives your floors extra protection. You can see this is very nice. I'm gonna have her walk away to show you the pee pad doesn't go anywhere. Go ahead, go, 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 come on, come. So, of course, this is great that it keeps the pee pad here, and that is going to keep the pee pad from slipping all over the floor, so it's going to stay in place. But let's say your dog fills this up or just kind of misses and it gets under the edge. You don't have to worry because all of the water is going to stay because you have this really nice lip on the edge. These are amazing. You definitely need one of these. Can't say enough great things about them. Definitely check them out. Recommend. Okay, here is the water. You can see it is staying right in the tray. This is so nice with that secure clip design, the raised edge for leak protection. It's durable silicone material, easy to clean and portable. I love it.